Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create photo outline on Canva application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a design on my Canva application and I have added my photo to my design, and I'm going to create outline for this photo. If we want to do that, first thing first, we can click on the photo and then we have to go to the effect and select the background remover, and the photo background will be removed from your photo. And if you are not a premium user, you can use the background eraser on Canva, because this is for the premium user. If you want to get the background eraser, you can go to the apps. You can go to the apps menu on Canva right here, and you have to search for the background eraser shown by this icon, and go back to this photo. I'm going to create outline for this photo. We can click on the photo like this, and then we have to go to the effect, and then we have to select effect right here, and you have to choose shadow and then choose outline, since we want to create outline for this photo, and you can customize the outline. I'm going to change the color of the outline. For example, I'm going to choose this a purple color for my outline. Okay, once we're done, we just need to go back, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create photo outline on Canva application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.